nice juice. It's really good. And it tastes like watermelon. It even has some watermelon pieces in it. It's crunchy, it's good, it's nice.
And you certainly heard my little man right. It's been 2 months and I still need somebody to pinch me just to know that this is real. I cannot believe that my kids are enjoying homemade juices. Yes, this watermelon lemonade as well as this pineapple ginger has been a hit. They've been enjoying it, taking it with their school lunches and all. And I'm here to share the recipe with you. First of all, let's prep the ingredients. I have some ginger, some lemons, 2 lemons,
pineapple, 2 of those.
And now let's get them ready for juicing. For my lemons, I'm going to peel them, but I'm also going to leave just a little bit of the skin because I want that lemony flavor. So the zest is going to provide that, but I want to use very little of it as I don't want my drink to be bitter and I want my kids to enjoy. I hardly ever throw my pineapple skins away. I either just boil it with some turmeric and other citrus fruits to make an immune boosting drink, or I just freeze it or just right away make some sobolo with it. So you'll see me having a lot of the fruit in there. You don't necessarily need to do that if you're not going to be using your skins. Now that we are done prepping the ingredients for the pineapple ginger juice, let's go ahead and prep the watermelon lemonade ingredients as well. So my watermelon is washed. I'm just going to cut it into 2. Just look at how gorgeous. I'm going to be using half of it to make this juice. The white part of your watermelon contains citrulline, which at the end of the day helps in building muscle and improving blood flow. So I've been trying to incorporate it in my fruit and the juices as well. And hopefully you do that as well.
Mom, I have a riddle for you. I have a riddle for you.
Okay.
You go at red, but then you stop at green. You go at red, but then you stop at green. What am I?
Watermelon.
Correct.
I just guessed that it has the colors and I'm using it, and knowing you, it probably is because you've seen a watermelon.
Mommy, this ranch.
Ranch?
Then you should eat the
Yeah, you can do some soon.
So hopefully again we can do my watermelon. No! My watermelon. Don't do that. You're putting yellow on it. Ew. I like the red one. Can I put one in, Mommy? Mommy, can
I think we need to improve yours.
Yeah.
Mommy, can I put one in though?
Yeah, you can put some in. Evie will let you do some.
I can feel the juice. I can feel the vibration. Now that's the juice, guys.
Get a stool.
I'm scared of accidentally putting my finger in way too deep.
Why would you do that? This person is a very famous YouTuber. This person who is videoing this. You guys have to subscribe. Even me myself subscribe. Even though I don't even like it. Never mind. Kudos, this. Can I turn the machine off?
Yeah. I'm going to skim off some of the froth or foam, but this is totally up to you. You can just let it be in the drink. It's part of your fruit anyway. Just skim it about this much, and I'm going to stir because watermelon tends to sediment when you set it aside. So that is pretty much it.
Exterminate the cookie. Hey guys, try this juice. It's really good, and it tastes like watermelon. It even has some watermelon pieces in it. It's crunchy, it's good, it's nice. It's
And even Andy is drinking it, right?
And it's sweet.
Yeah, and you like it.
Mm-hmm.
And Mommy is very surprised. Yeah, go. Let them see how you chuck it all. Ooh. I am so pleased. Thank you, Cubans. Now you have a watermelon lip. You like
You guys
it?
should try it.
They should try it?
Mm-hmm. Very good.
Have you ever tried this juice?
No.
Today was your first time, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And subscribe.
Uh-huh.
Waited. Yes. Aduh, membuat. Is that lemonade? I think it's lemonade actually. That's a big jar. Eva can drink that. Is Eva gonna taste it though?
Mm-hmm.
I will see.
Yeah, but not the pitch. Not the pitcher though. Just the one.
Mommy's spilling the glass. Yay! What is
And are you going to be drinking this?
Yeah.
Would you want me to make some for school
Yeah.
with ice for the hot summer days?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm so happy you like it. Evie, are you going to be drinking this in school? So I refrigerate the juices in this bottle for up to 3 days. If I am freezing, I have freezer safe bottles that I put them in and freeze, and that can last longer. I know you like pineapple. And do you like it? Or you like the watermelon better?
That's the watermelon better.
I like this one too. It tastes like water, but then also spicier. Spicy, sweet, and crunchy.
Crunchy from what?
From the juice. The juice is crunchy.
Okay. So good. Absolutely refreshing. I really hope you give them a try. You will love it. So for school, I've been freezing their juices in these bottles, and it's been 5 weeks in the school year, and they've been enjoying these homemade juices daily.